Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unlock iPhone with iTunes. Let's start. So, guys, with so many passwords and then, sometimes you have lock codes, like there's so many things that you need to remember. So it's not surprising if sometimes or not actually sometimes most of the time there are people that they forget their passwords all the time. So if ever you come across with situations and then you lose your password or you get locked out of your iPhone for some reason, so there's actually a way for you to unlock with iPhone using iTunes. So there may be other ways as well, but for this tutorial, I'm just gonna show you how it's done using iTunes. Okay, so we'll explain in this video like how you're gonna do that. So first, you just need to ensure that your iTunes is up. So I am doing this in my Windows laptop, and then my phone is connected or is synced to my iTunes. So all you need to do, guys, is just click on this one, okay? When you click on this one, it would be defaulted to summary. So there's this little button here that says restore iPhone. So this is the only way for you to unlock your iPhone. Pretty much, setting it to like a new phone again. Because if you're gonna do that, the phone would be like it would go back to reset factory settings. So all like everything would be like like it's like you're going to reset your entire iPhone, but at least this is one way of you being able to use your iPhone again. So in this case, I click on my restore iPhone, and then it's just asking me if I need to back up the settings for my phone, and then yes, I can do that. Do a backup. And then if your phone is also synced in iCloud, then definitely you could get all your files back. So there, I hope you learned something new today. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.